What's up, everybody? Donnie Baker here with you, LPR Sound Foundation. Welcome back in. Glad you're here with me. Hey, guess what? You're in the new spot. Well, I'm in the new spot. You guys are here with me. So we're gonna look at all this. We're gonna look at it. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna show you what I did. Show you how we did things, why we did things, how, when, what, everything. We'll end up with a new studio tour. So what I want to share with you now is taking everything out of the old spot. So if you guys are ready to go, let's go take a look at some of that stuff, shall we? So I'm going to turn this off because I'm going to show you some pictures. I'll go back to this screen because I want to share with you some pictures of taking everything out and moving everything to the new spot and how we did everything. So here's the first bit. This is kind of where I started. I'm not very good at taking pictures of stuff, but this is kind of where things started. You guys have seen Studio B before. There it is. I started taking the rack apart. I took the little producer desk out, and that's where we went from there. There's the rack. I started taking the rack apart. I got the power supply for the console out. A couple other pieces I already took out of there. So that's what you're seeing. Yeah, there's the fun stuff, you know, the little trinkets and things that have been sitting on the desk for 21 years, and they're here on the new desk. I'll share with you when we do the studio tour. This is taking the patch bays out, man. This is a mess, bro. This is seriously a mess. It was kind of a rat's nest kind of vibe going on underneath there. You know, you as with everything else, man, with especially with signal flow. Yeah, signal flow, man. You know, you move something, you change something, you unplug one, plug in another, and then you end up with this. And I'll share with you the new build because the patch bays are all new. They're all redesigned and reconfigured, and it's going to be cool. And the past few days, that's what I've been doing, and I'm going to share that with you in a couple of weeks. It's going to be a minute before we get there. But anyway, this is taking the stuff out. You know, more pictures of taking the cables out. This was a feat, bro. I did it all myself. You know, no help on this one. I did it slowly, methodically. We had 2 months to do all this. And at the same time, I was mixing on a record in the other studio, in the Studio A. So I slowly taking Studio B apart, moving things. There's the desk with all the dust and everything underneath the console. I don't think we've moved that console. Oh no, it's not been that long since it may be 3 or 4 years since we moved that console because we had to pull things out and rewire some stuff. And so I think I don't know if I pulled the console completely out for that one. I'll have to go back and look at that video. I'll actually leave a link to it up here. You guys can go see. I think it's called the Studio B rebuild. I did it live, man. It was like an 3 8-hour days or something. If you want to go sit through 3 8-hour days, I'll pay you. No, I'm just kidding, bro. No, it's a lot of fun, man. You go fast forward through it and look at some of the stuff we rebuilt over there. Here's the console getting ready to go up on the truck and bring it over to the new spot. And it was happy on that rack, man. I don't know, that dolly, bro, that's one of the best purchases I think I've made in a minute. It's one of those, I actually bought it at Costco, but the brand name is Costco. I know it's confusing. I was confused as well. So here's the aftermath of taking everything out. And this is kind of what it looked like with all the cables. I was still rolling up cables. And here's even more cables. Bro, what a mess. I know, it's crazy. But here's the new spot before we did anything. Yeah, bro, it's a single room. And you see I got some paint on the wall there. We tried some... we were trying some paint colors, trying out some stuff. You know, we actually picked out some pretty cool colors. I'm in the room now, and you kind of see the red behind me here. We tried to keep it very similar to the other studio, the same vibe, you know, the kind of thing, because it's cool. We kind of liked it. So this is one shot of the new spot. Here's another spot. There's some red stuff on the wall. We're just testing it, see if it's gonna work. You know, because paint never looks right when it's wet. You gotta wait for it to dry, and it's like. But that's the room, and it's in its bareness. It looks like a Van Nuys apartment with the you know, just the drywall and stuff, whatever. So anyway, this is where we started, and we still have the golf clubs in case somebody's going to ask. I know you're going to ask. We kept the golf clubs, but look, this is where it went. This is where I'm gonna share with you along the way how we did things, where we did things, the way we built things. I could turn this back on now because we're done looking at pictures. But let me know if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns. You can always email me along this journey. Thank you for sharing this with me, coming along with me on this ride. It's been, we're actually done. At the time I'm filming this, we're actually already done. So I'm going back and reliving it, or traumatized. No, it's not that bad, man. So the new spot is up and running. You see it behind me here. It is working. We made a few changes. I got rid of the Dyne Audio speakers. They were a little bit too big for this room. I tried them and I was like, it's a little bit too big for this room. This room sounds pretty good. It's gonna get better. I'm noticing something now. This is the first video I'm filming in this room, and I'm facing a back wall, and I gotta do something with that. There's a little bass trap thing going on in the corner that I'm hearing. You might be hearing it on the microphone today. I will take care of that. It may not bother you, but it definitely bothers me. So we'll be looking at that. But yeah, if you do have any questions, you can always email me. I'm gonna share with you the whole journey. So from we had to redo the electrics in this room. The electrics were horrible, terrible. That's gonna be the next week's video. Is gonna be that, and then the painting and the ideas and the room treatments went up, and then we slowly started bringing gear in and setting gear up, and everything's working now. I'm actually gonna go. I'm actually gonna be working on a mix tonight. So this will be the first mix in the new room, and I'll share that with you as well. So come along with me on this journey, will you, kids? Come on. Hey, if you are interested in these kind of things, I do have my ebook is still available. Go grab it. If you want to look at it, go grab it. It's free. Go to learnprorecording.com/studio growth formula. Get this guide, man. It's definitely going to help when it comes time to for you to build your studio. I'm here to help. I'm here to consult. I'm here to answer your questions. If anything comes up along your way, again, you can email me at info@learnprorecording.com, and we're gonna get up out of here, man. I gotta go get busy on this mix. I'm looking forward to next week, because next week's you're gonna see the process of how things started to progress into what we have, and then we'll end up the series. It'll probably be 4 weeks through August, and then we'll end up with a new studio tour. And I'm really excited about that. I'm super excited to share with you how I built what I built and why I built it, and the reasoning behind it. And I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm excited for me. I'm excited for you. And this is going to be fun. I got some pretty cool stuff coming up. Can't really share with you right now because I can't. I'm not allowed to. But I will. By the end of this series, I'm going to share something really cool with you. And I'm super excited about it. And I can't wait to tell you about it. So we'll see you on the next one, man. My name is Donnie Baker, and I will be out of here. Oh, if you want more information about mixing and things like that, I'll leave a link to a video right here. You can go take a look at that and share the files. I'm gonna share the files with you. The mix challenge. So I'll share that with you. See you next time. Donnie B, I'm out.